Welcome to my channel. It is Megan with Manny's Wine and Shine. If you want to see how I created this cohesive neutral golden look, stay tuned and I'll show you the exact kit I used from Amazon and I'll link in my bio below. I picked up this Beetles nail art with for animal print from Amazon. It has all these shades. Most of these are upside down. This was the animal print one that they were advertising. It has a white and a black and a bunch of different nudes. A silver glitter and a gold glitter. And in this kit, it also came with these rounded tips for if you want to do tips. It came with different kinds of striping tape. And so I already have the base of my manicure done. I'm going to show you how the 943 applies. And then I'm going to do some nail art with 946 as well, and with a little bit of tape. I'm not really going to be using the striping today or the tip guides. My typical style, so 940. And just a very pinky, creamy, perfect nude for my skin tone. And I love working with gel the most, even though I don't use it all the time, is how easy it is to just maneuver once you have a base going. And I'm just going to glitter this nail. And what I do when I work with foils, because this is actually a foil I found out after calling it glitter 10 times, is I will put a gel top coat on. So it's super sticky and easy to maneuver. And then I'll cure it. And as I'm tapping and moving things around, it actually kind of rubs the top coat in. So it really makes it stick to the nail. And I'm taking my time and I'm going to be doing 2 lines because I want it to kind of seem a little uniform, but not uniform at the same time, because foils look, I think, best when it's almost randomized. So I'm just placing it where I want with my pincher tool and then tapping it in to the nail to create the design. And then once I like where it's going to go and how it looks, I'm going to cure it for 45 seconds, and then I put an extra top coat on to make sure it really doesn't go anywhere. Okay, so I did my foil nail. Then I'm going to take the 946 that came in this kit. I'm going to take some tape and I'm going to tape a line down. I say tape because I want a nice straight line. And I don't want, like, if I use striping tape, I don't want to have to worry I spilled over and then it looks odd. One. So I take both sides. I know this looks weird, but I take both sides. And I'm going to take for 946 and I'm going to paint down the center. So I cured it for 5 seconds and I'm going to peel this off. And I always say I cure for 5 seconds so it's a little hard, so you're not going to really mess it up when you peel it off. And here is partly my finished look. I could stop right here and just use all the items in the Leopard gel polish kit from Beetles that's sold on Amazon and just use these and this would be a look. But I decided to bump it up a notch and I'm going to be using this no-name gold unicorn powder I found in my nail kit. Okay, so we're going to try this out. So I have some old gold foil that I'm aiming to get this. So I got this the first time, and then when I tested it again, I got more of a chrome look, which looks good. This came out really nice, but I was going for more of this quiet gold look. So let's hope that I can do that again, recreate that on this hand. So I already did my no wipe top coat. Instead of on this thumb, I used the gel polish color underneath, which is this pink, and didn't wipe off. Didn't even put a no wipe top coat, and it came out like this. So we shall see how this goes. Tap a little here. Here we go. And you can see that I'm adding a little more and then rubbing it in and adding a little more. And I'm also going to do it to my pinky finger as well as my pointer finger. And once I get my desired chrome unicorn look with the gold, I am then going to seal it with a top coat for about 45 seconds for each of the fingers. And there you have it, a super simple, no artistic ability needed manicure. I used foils, I used tape, and I just rubbed on some gold unicorn powder, and it just made this very cohesive look. I'm going to finish off with my Unicorn Magic Skincares. Honey, I washed the kids' nail oil. I'm going to finish off with the oil. After wiping clean with some alcohol, really dries out your skin. And let's be real, I always add cuticle oil to the end of my videos because they make your nails not look crusty as hell. And here's the finished look. I feel like this gold and nude pink nail art Skittle manicure looks very sharp. It's super simple for those who, like me, cannot even freehand leopard spots. It's just I'm so incapable to do so, but using the foil, the striping, and the unicorn gold powder really brought this together. I hope you really enjoyed this manicure and learned a thing or two. I look forward to creating more content like this for you. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos like this. Bye!